I am going to find the measurements needed for volume. First, I will measure the length, which is the long side. I will use my ruler to find that the length is equal to 4 inches. The next step is to measure the height. I will draw a line to show where the height is of my object. Then I will use my ruler to measure in inches and find that the height is equal to 3 inches. The next step is to measure the width. The width is how wide an object is. It's hard to see in the picture, but the width I am measuring of this object is behind here. I will use my ruler again and find that my width is equal to 2 inches. I now have all the measurements needed to find the volume and will use the formula we have discussed to multiply and find my final answer. Notice, when I find the volume, it is in cubic inches. I am going to find the measurement using the same formula, length times width times height. I have measured my basket to find that the length is 8 inches, the height is 4 inches, and the width is 4 inches. I will multiply 8 inches times 4 inches times 4 inches to find out the volume is 128 cubic inches. The next item is a book, which can sometimes be tricky to figure out the measurements. The length is always the long side, and I found that the length of this book is 5 inches. The width of the book is 4 inches, and the height is 1 inch. Using the same formula, length times width times height, I will multiply 5 inches times 4 inches times 1 inch to find my volume to be 20 cubic inches. Notice that the answer to the volume is always cubic inches because you have multiplied 3 sides together.